President ka Bjp Meghalaya uba Ernest Mauri habai krem klap thai khobora ka shipotrik ulber aja arpuar ulai Mynsiem ki Khynnah Pule doctor ki buana Ukraine bad ki kemi ki khpa jongki ba kimde ban khuslai wala kila haban ino shiteng ye jing puli jongki kane ka long namar bo mentri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi ula shemye karai ban yarab iki Khynnah Pule doctor ki bawan na ki long yeng long sam ki baduna ka yo ka kot lingba kane ka cherap on pendunai ka bai puli doctor jongki khnang bakini ki Khynnah kinam dan kam ban lecho shabar hendre ki lab pende be jing puli doctor jongki halari.
On Monday, on the 7th, he has made a big announcement that all the medical college, even private medical college, they have to accept 50% fees like government college. So this will be benefit to the poor student, middle class. So as you see in our state, around 25 students, they went abroad and study in Ukraine. And I have met some of the students, they have come back to India and to our state. Some of them, they met me personally and highlight about the problem they are facing. Some of the students, 4 of them, they are on the final. So it is very difficult for them to go back to Ukraine and appear the exam. As you know, the flight fare also is very high and staying arrangement also is problem. So now with this big announcement, it'll be benefit our state, Meghalaya, especially for those medical students studying outside our state, outside our country.
Habaikran par halor ka Shillong Medical College uba Ernest Mauri uloong ba ka jala Meghalaya. Kaladan kam palat bandan la ka jong ka Medical College kumbalong kibi ki jala kom ha Assam. Baula kintoru ye ka sorkar ba kam shimlala ban sedang ye kani ka project.
We have celebrated 50 years of our statehood, but it's very sad to inform that till today we don't have even a single medical college. Though we have Nigrim, that is under the central government, and some seat has been allotted for the quota for our students from our state. And I think it's a high time for public in our state to see and focus about the new formation of the government and to look forward to BJP. There is no other alternative, only BJP. As you have seen example in Assam, each and every district in Assam, they have set up a medical college. That is the target and that is the mission of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi.